everyone, welcome to Home Essentials. I am Priya.
Hi, I am Rian.
So in today's video, I am gonna share with you a simple DIY lamp which is very easy to make, and all the things which I am gonna use in this DIY project, it is easily available in the market. So without further ado, let's begin the video. बट बिफोर दैट, अगर आपको ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना है तो आप ऊपर टाइप करके देख सकते हैं, या तो डिस्क्रिप्शन और कमेंट सेक्शन के अंदर मैंने उसकी लिंक दे दी है, आप वहां पर टाइप करके देख सकते हैं. सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं.
So in this DIY you will need PVC pipe. You can use any diameter of PVC pipe, but particularly I am using 3/4 inch of PVC pipe. So first we will take one 50 centimeter of pipe, three 16 centimeter, one 8 centimeter and one 7 centimeter. Remember, all the dimensions are in centimeter. Along with this we'll need 6 elbows, PVC elbow. So we'll need a wire with a plug, and for the bulb we'll need a bulb holder. In this DIY I'm going to use a screw base bulb, therefore I'll need a converter along with this holder. So we will use this kind of converter so that we can use a screw base bulb. So now I'll take a 16 centimeter pipe, I'll insert the wire, then I'll take a elbow and I will fix it like this. Then I'll take another 16 centimeter pipe, one elbow, then another 16 centimeter pipe and one elbow. As you can see, I have used 3 16 centimeter pipes and 3 elbows till now. Now I will take one 8 centimeter pipe, which is this one, and as you can see our base is ready. Now we'll use a elbow and keep it vertical so that I can put a vertical pipe. So after this I'm gonna use a 50 centimeter pipe. You can increase or decrease the height by using different size. I'm using 50 centimeter, you can use according to your choice. So I think 50 centimeter is quite enough. After that I'm gonna use a elbow. Then I'll put a 7 centimeter pipe. And at last I'll put a elbow. So in this way our PVC structure is ready. Now I'll fix everything all together nicely and tightly. You can use a fixer also. Now it's time to put the bulb holder and the converter. So in this way I'll put the bulb holder and the converter. Now we will attach the pipe and the holder by the use of adhesive, and we have to keep it there for some time so that it will stick. And now our whole structure is ready along with the holder. So now I'm gonna paint the lamp with the help of the spray paint. The color which I'm using is bronze color. You can use any of the color. You can use acrylic, oil paint as per your wish or your convenience, but spray paint is very easy to do, and you can paint the wire also so that it will look symmetry with your lamp, and you just have to keep it on one side after painting so that it will get dry, and voila, your lamp is ready. So I love bronze color, that's why I'm using it, but you can use any of the bright color or any other color. So today I'm going to use this bulb, which is screw base bulb, and I bought it online, and you can see the results. It looks amazing. Instead of using a normal bulb, try to use this kind of different design and different look bulb. It will look stunning, and as you can see it is looking so beautiful. So you can use this lamp in your living room, bedroom, or on your study table, anywhere in your room. It will look amazing on your bedside table also. So I just loved the idea and the concept because it is easy to make. All the things are very cheap and easily available in the market. And you can play with the design also. As you can see, this design is simple, but you can make different twists and turns by using the pipe, and you can create a different look. Now I'm gonna use a different bulb, and this one also I bought it online and I loved the shape. There are different size and shapes of bulbs available online. You can check out. I'll provide some of the bulbs link in the description box. Maybe that will be helpful to you. And as you can see, this one also looks amazing. I hope you will like this lamp, and I am in love with this lamp. So I have created 3 different looks. So in the last look, I have used a small jute basket, which is a DIY basket. In other video, I'll show you how to make a jute DIY basket very easily. I have hanged it on the bulb holder, and inside I have used a very basic and small bulb, because it's not gonna look outside. That's why I have used a very simple bulb, and you can see the look is so different. You can color these jute basket also, or you can keep it plain like me. And you can use bamboo basket also. You just have to make a cut on the bottom of the basket, and you can hang it on the holder, and you can paint it in different colors, and your lamp will be ready.
So I hope this video is helpful to you. Do let me know in the comment section that you liked my video or not. So see you next time in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.
Bye.